Where are they? Farmer, a thief took them! Hello, officer. Someone stole all my animals. Don't worry. What a long day on the farm. The animals are resting peacefully tonight. The farm is very quiet tonight. Look at all these animals. Tonight I will steal them all. Who is that strange man? Quiet. Nobody must wake up. Nah. Oh, what is happening? Whoa, where are we going? You are coming with me! Oh no, I'm being stolen! Good morning, animals. Wait! Farmer, a thief took them! Where are they? Farmer, a thief took them! My animals are gone! I must call the police! Hello, officer. Someone stole all my animals. Stay calm. We are coming right away. Don't worry. We will find the thief.
Let's investigate. Look at these large footprints. The thief went that way.
I saw him last night. Everyone follow me. I hope my animals are safe. We're close. Stay alert. Nobody will find them here. We want to go home.
There he is!
Oh, right there. You'll not catch me. Run, officers! Catch that thief! You will never catch me! Police, stop! Run, officers! Catch that thief! Now! You are under arrest. Woo, we are saved! My animals are back! Thank you, officers! You saved my farm! We are happy to help. Whoa! What an adventure! The farm is safe again. Stealing is wrong, and honesty always wins.